Welcome to the Harbor of Refuge Lighthouse. The lighthouse can be found on the outer protective wall of the Delaware Bay. This is the boat we're going out in. A little nautical today and a little rocky. What we came for. Lighthouse. What is the bet for the winner? This Lewis street map shows the Harbor of Refuge Lighthouse out off the Hanalopen Point off the state park. Okay, let's use a nautical chart to show both protective walls. Both have lighthouses. The yellow line and arrow pointing to that yellow line shows the inner protective wall, and it also houses the East End Lighthouse. In this photo, you see the East End Lighthouse, which is red. The landmass behind it is the Hanalopen Point. Then there's ocean, and if you look, you'll see a white and black lighthouse. That is the Harbor of Refuge Lighthouse. The yellow arrow pointing to the yellow line, which is the outer protective wall, with the Harbor of Refuge Lighthouse on. We have arrived. Wind has not stopped today. But I think the windmill is turning. Looks like the Cape May Lewis ferry's coming out. Paint the white. Okay, this is where the compressors used to be. Now it's our staging area for workshop. We are on the lower floor and we're looking up. One of the vents. Seeing lights through the floor. Must have been a pipe or some sort of through pipe for cable, conduit. Up here is where the water tank was for drinking.
What's that?
Water tank for drinking up there.
Is that where the water tank was?
And looking up the first floor. Okay, here's the stairwell. Main backbone, steps.
Rick, by chance? Is there no?
First outside landing. There is Cape Hanalopen. There, see the cars running across. They're all fishermen. And out comes the Cape May Lewis ferry. So let's go see the decking here. As you can see, we're missing a few rocks down there. And a few at the end. Okay, we're going into the wind. First landing still. Our group working, getting some lunch. A lot of painting went on today. And there's the Cape May Lewis ferry coming into Lewis. And there's the one leaving Lewis. As you can see, the windows need replacing. As soon as we can get enough funds, that can happen. Got some young people there working on the, hang on, I believe his name's Ben. Okay, leaving the first floor landing, going up the steps to the second floor landing. This would be their bathroom when they were stationed here, Coast Guard. This would be their living quarters. Their beds would be here. And as you can see by the little holes there, they must have had some sort of a heating system, probably diesel or oil. Yep. There's the Cape May Lewis ferry out of the window.
One roller and a couple of brushes.
Going up to the third floor landing. Yep, Cape May Lewis ferry. The Fresnel lens is closed up, that was original. Little map of lighthouses and where they're at. Volunteer. This is what they had when they began. The first photo is from March of 2017. The second photo is after all the volunteers worked on it, October 2017.
The waves were hitting up here. They blew a window out, that's how we know.
1905. That is not the building we're in right now.
The second floor window, but
The light that never was. Just proposed, never built.
it's incredible. Lex, you know where I went the other day?
Okay, going up one more flight. Okay, this is just below the lantern room. So you can see they're working on it right now. Cable to feed power from the battery room to the light. Yep, that window pane's gone. That window pane's gone. She definitely needs new windows. All right, let's go up to the lantern room. Okay, there's the Fresnel loans that we have now. There's some red plexiglass on the windows. And this is what it looks like from the lantern room. There goes the Kate May Lewis. Coming around. And again, they put a little bit of red light there. And that window really needs to be replaced, raised. Okay. Cool. Oh. Up there is a steel vent. You can see the grounding on it, bonding because it might get struck by lightning, but it's got little holes in it for the old kerosene lantern to let the vent out of the air. Man, it is windy out there today. Here's the Kate May Lewis ferry, the other one that's coming in. And there is the Hannah Logan Point. Just below the lantern room, there's your stairwell going up. And the door outlined by the red box gives access to the clockwork weights and pulleys. Same principle as the workings of a grandfather clock. Its purpose was to turn the kerosene lamp and had to be rewound by the lightkeeper every day. The second door is located on the first landing, giving the weight about 50 foot between the two doors of travel. Let's go outside and see the view. Looking straight down from the top of the lighthouse. And there's the lantern room. You can see it from here. There's the plexiglass. It's nice to get it restored. Obviously were plates that items came volunteers creating. Okay. Time to get down. We're at the very top of the stairwell. So here we go. how they all bolt together underneath the steps? Got a little bit of surface rust on them. Main backbone going up and down. Looks like it's an uninterrupted brake all the way up. The center pipe, which supports the inside of the stairs and doubles for the clockwork, is not a single pipe. It is multiple pipes and they're joined together. And this is an example of one of the joints. Let's continue down. Salt air just does terrible things to metal. Look at that copper ground plate. Oxidation. The old grill still stands though. Volunteers eating lunch. This has got to be the windiest day I've been out here. Oh, and the generator is the only way we have any lights in this thing. The light that the Coast Guard uses has batteries and has solar cells to keep it running at night. Things that keep a lighthouse still standing are the craftsmanship of the builders and the caretakers since it was completed, way back in November 15th, 1926. This photo was taken October 8th, showing the volunteer work party just before they locked up the lighthouse for winter. The lighthouse is supported by fundraising. You can become a member for $35. We also take out visitors during the summer, 1 day a month. There are not many lighthouses surrounded by water that the public can visit. Note the tours are limited in numbers and sell out quickly. And donations are appreciated. As you see in the video, there are no end of projects to restoring this lighthouse. Thank you for watching. Links are under the video.